Hi everyone, I welcome you back to Sai Love Light Healing. And yesterday I was not able to record a video, so today I got some time to record one and to upload one for my viewers. So I welcome you back. I hope you are all doing well. So now let us start with the reading. And before that, I wanted to tell you that I'm able to channelize the message that you all are being stressed out right now. Maybe you are not able to maintain your peace and happiness. You are not able to enjoy little things present around you. You are not able to find out the happiness again. Maybe you are not happy with your present condition or situation. Maybe you are trying to control the things which are not under your control. Okay, so please stop doing that. It's very tough, I know. Okay, so try to maintain peace with yourself. Try to do the things that make you happy, or maybe the things that you love. Okay, so please do not worry. The thoughts are continuously stressing out, and there are a lot of thoughts going on. Okay, the clutter in your head has uh, been has become a burden on you, and it's suppressing you and your emotions, and you are also, maybe your mental health is also trying to affect your physical health as well. Okay, so maybe you are not even keeping well. A few of you might resonate with the same. So please take care of your peace, your mental health. It's very tough, I completely agree with that, I completely understand as well, but try to find out the peace. Okay, because if the things are not under your control, you cannot do anything. Okay, so even if you try to force things to happen, it's not going to work. So please stop trying to control things. Okay, let it go with the flow. So please set it very free, and you will just you will again be able to find the control of your life back again. Okay, so next card that we have is the Moon card. They are emotional about you. Do not worry about the same. You are also emotional about them. They are having feelings, but due to some reasons they are not able to reciprocate the same. They are not maybe able to reciprocate the same energy, or maybe shower lots of love and respect and understanding on you, maybe, or they are not even able to take care of you the way you take care of them, or something is there. Okay, the issue that's been bothering you since a very long time, and maybe since a few days, is going to be sorted again, but you should first have a talk with them, have a word with your person. It's going to be reciprocated again. Please do not be in the same energy for a very long time, because it's also affecting your connection as well as your physical health. Okay, do not worry. They are emotional about you. Do not worry. Please do not worry, because I only get the word worry, worry, worry. So please do not worry. Yeah. Next, try to find out the balance. See, the energies are not in a balanced mode. Okay, so if it gets imbalanced again, it's just delaying the process of the union, or maybe process of reconciliation. So please do not let those energies affect the connection. Okay, so please try to find out the balance. So please stop controlling the things, unwanted things, or maybe the things which are bothering you. Try to find out the balance. Okay, try to also find out the balance uh, of your thoughts as well as of your emotions as well, what you're feeling, what you're thinking, what you're supposed to do. So please spend time with your loved ones, the ones who are making you feel loved, and who are caring, actually caring for you, who are also trying to be a part of your life, and who are also seeing your worth as well. Okay, so please try to spend time with them, and try to spend also time with yourself. Feel your emotions, and then you will also find the peace again. Okay, don't worry. Next we have is Six of Pentacles. They also know the reciprocation which is lacking in the connection, it's going to come back. Okay, they are also pouring the same amount of love, maybe even if it is not sufficient for you, or for the connection to work out, but they are trying to do their best, and they will also in the future, they will be pouring the same amount of love. Even if you can do some amount of charity, okay, then you can definitely do it. And also again, I get balance. If the balance is lacking, it's within you. That is the only reason why you are not able to see any progress around you or in the connection. Okay, the lack of balance is there within you. That is the only reason why you are not seeing any progress in the connection as well. Okay, so now let us see what else do we have. Okay, um, I'm not at my home, so I'll not be able to adjust so much well the camera. Okay, so please uh, tolerate today for 1 or 2 days more. Okay, next we have is the World card. I'll not be able to show you the World card. It's saying that they will be providing you with everything. Again, I'm getting the same thing. They are treating you as their world. You are also considering them as your world, sorry. And you miss them a lot. Okay, I also get that. You are So you are worried about the fact that whether they have moved on with somebody else, or whether they are seeing somebody new, or whether they are into somebody new. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm getting. Whether they are exploring, whether they are dating somebody, whether they are going out with somebody or spending time with somebody, what they used to do for you, whether they are doing that for somebody else or not. Okay, so that is what is keeping you worried since a very long time, or maybe since quite a few days now. Okay, and you are continuously wondering about the same. There are insecurities in the connection, there are trust issues. Okay, there are issues regarding the efforts as well. Maybe you are the only one who has been putting a lot of efforts in the connection, in the relationship. Maybe it's not getting reciprocated, as I said, and you want equal reward or return from the other person, or from the connection, that or the person that you are dealing with. Okay, next we have is Page of Pentacles. For you, this person is your everything. Okay, as I said, you are treating them as your world. Okay, you are ready to do everything and anything for the person. You are giving them a lot of gifts. You are also not only material but immaterial things as well. Okay, you are making sure that they are happy, they are feeling loved, they are feeling cared, they are feeling understood. Okay, you are ready to listen to each and everything and spend time with them. Okay, but they are the one who has been neglecting things. Maybe they have not been looking at your worth. Maybe they are just not ready for the same to provide you with everything. They are not even maybe avoiding you, or ignoring your efforts towards them. That is what I'm getting. Fine, so please uh, try to, as I said, try to find out your happiness and try to heal. What else to say? I know you all are worried. That is the only word I'm getting, because if I'm getting one word continuously, a particular word or maybe a particular message again and again, that means my spirit guides are wanting to share a specific message or convey a specific message to you. So please, if you're worried, the universe is listening to you, they are listening to your prayers. They also are aware about the fact that you are worried about the connection or person, whoever you are dealing with. But for now, just try to surrender, let go of the fear, insecurities, and trust issues. Try to find and be your own peace. Okay, not wait for anybody or any individual to be your happiness. Okay, it's lying within you. Fine. So it is tough. It is definitely tough, but please try to do that. Follow the guidance. Fine. Next. So I hope you follow the guidance. Okay. Next we have is Three of Pentacles. I also get marriage for a few of you. Also get third party, because third party in the form of money, finances, career, work, and most importantly, I get finances coming in the way. Okay. Maybe they are working on their finances. They are not feeling that they are stable enough to welcome you back in their life. And also I get joining hands with them. Maybe you guys are soon going to soon join hands with each other. Okay, and maybe shaking hands, meeting somewhere. It's all unplanned and you meet somewhere. Okay, maybe you are visiting a place and you accidentally or maybe suddenly surprisingly meet your person and something happens. So yeah, the spark is going to reignite again, so do not worry about the same. So yeah, that is what I'm getting. Maybe three number is quite important. Again, I'm getting three. Okay, so the Empress card. So they are feeling love. They are feeling, they know that you love them. Maybe they are also loving the feeling that they are feeling love. Okay, I hope I'm able to make you understand what I'm trying to say. They feel they love the way you love them. Okay, they love the way you care for them, the way you know understand them, respect them, and do little things to make them happy. Okay, so that is important for them as well. There is a heart symbol as well here, so they are respecting your love. So yeah, that is what I'm getting. Maybe green color is important, trees are important, you love to plant trees, or maybe flowers are important, a red gown or white and red ground. Okay, sorry, ground, I said ground, so maybe that is also important. I don't know, accidentally I say a lot of words and that are specific messages that the spirit guides want to convey. So I also said red and white gown. Okay, so that is important for you maybe. And something is going to be declared in your favor. Okay, something is going to be declared in your favor. A situation is coming to a peaceful end or something, and it's all going to work out in the end in your favor. Okay, and they are also feeling that you are a mother figure for them. The way the mother looks out for their children, and the way a mother loves and cares, and the way she loves. Okay, it's so selfless, right? So that is what they are loving and admiring the quality of yours. Fine. So this was a beautiful reading. Do not worry. As I said, maintain your peace, maintain your happiness, bring back your smile on your face, because you are beautiful, you are loved. Universe is watching you, and they are watching and listening to her prayers, working out things for you. Angels are supporting and praying, and also keeping you safe. If things are not working out, then they are keeping you safe and saving you from some dangers which are present ahead of in your way. So they are just removing the obstacles and working out things for you. Fine. So this was your reading. I hope you guys resonated with the same. Please give a like to the video. Also comment below what you felt, okay, whether it's resonating or not, and claim the positive energies as well. I hope that you bring that you find back your peace and happiness, and bring love on the table whenever you meet your person. Fine. So we'll meet with another reading soon, maybe tomorrow. I'll try my best. Till then, take care. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.